Nothing new has ever been discovered. The Cardinal's rise to $100, however, looks incredibly implausible. Under typical circumstances, it is necessary to compare a rise within a cycle to increases in the past. A price prediction of $100 is an unprecedented achievement for Cardano. This feat won't be accomplished unless the Cardano network experiences a significant explosion. Is it necessary to maintain our optimism on this unusual opportunity for ADA? Welcome to Cardano Insider. We provide the latest news of Cardano ADA. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. In the cryptocurrency world, Cardano, which is being developed from a scientific perspective and is extraordinarily technically ahead of its rivals, is possibly the most intriguing project in the long run. Leading the cryptocurrency market with delicious gains. Cardano's triumphs have left the cryptocurrency community in a state of confusion. Cardano was developed to transfer power to individuals by fusing cutting-edge technology with decentralized applications. The network touts itself as the first platform in the industry to be based on peer-reviewed research and empirical methodologies, and it boasts a fantastic team of engineers. His clever Boris consensus mechanism, which he calls his best achievement, is what enabled Cardano to receive so much attention last year when it was promised that smart contracts would be allowed on the platform. With many Cardano advocates actively promoting Cardano on Twitter, it was difficult to predict how high it would rise. Cardano, one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market value, was able to directly compete with Ethereum for fresh market share when the Alonso hard fork went live. Cardano is well positioned for a support tranche, but if Cardano is unable to resolve its issues, it will be of little to no use, further reducing his chances of reaching $100. Cardano ADA is prepared to announce new price recoveries after repeated price increases of cryptocurrencies over the previous few months. Due to its strong holder statistics, recent changes, and some intriguing indicator movements, such as Donald Sharp owning between $10,000 and $100,000, the network has attracted increasing investor attention. ADA had generally been a really good top caller, but in February he was dropped. Cardano ADA investors who have held onto their tokens for at least a year now possess 10 points worth of ADA tokens, showing that they have exhibited a respectable amount of tenacity despite the market pullback. The holding was at its highest level since December 11, 2019. The measure showed that the Cardano ecosystem has a strong holder mentality. Of course, it's the bear's game, but cryptocurrency investors frequently use social media to persuade other users to hold as well. These are merely making an effort to profit from the emotion of impending sorrow. Cardano ADA is still declining from its record high, and those who have held the token for more than a year now or who are in the red as the cryptocurrency market retreats from its all-time high seem hesitant to sell their investment, missing out on potential future gains. But before investors can anticipate a sharp increase in price, a lot of things need to be in place, including Cardano. The blockchain has yet to experience a Uniswap-like game-changing application. Technical difficulties plagued the flagship DEX launch on Sunday, and the most recent improvement had no impact on the cost. Additionally, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, is currently defending himself against all defamatory claims that he tried to artificially maintain the token's price by the aid of buybacks. The ADA coin had a generally negative performance in September. Investors were really hopeful that September would show them the end of the tunnel, despite a bright start. Most likely, the light at the end of the tunnel is still ahead. Cardano ADA did climb by 18% in the first 11 days of the month, but it has since retraced, hit its August lows, and is now worse. If the past is any indication, ADA's failure to achieve a notable upside despite his most recent network upgrade can be explained by the fact that his bounce from the same short-term support is weak and displays little investor confidence. Numerous performances have been hampered by a lack of investor trust, which is proven by the fact that ADA coins have been traded less frequently in recent days. The 24-hour addresses metric experienced the same problem, with a sharp decline in the number of active addresses. Taking into account that Cardano will be appearing in 2022, these observations aren't entirely bizarre at this point. Life is not always a bowl of cherries, and Cardano's situation is not hopeless. The ADA market value to realized value ratio has also seen some positive movement. The ratio had made a dramatic rebound, indicating that some significant purchases had turned a profit following a minor increase. The increase in the NVRV ratio also demonstrated that there is still some demand, which sheds light on what can happen next. Due to the TAS scenario, the old coin is in desperate need of a catalyst to encourage the restoration of investor confidence. And it's unclear when the most recent upgrade will support that action. In addition, the Japanese cryptocurrency exchange BitBank revealed that it would shortly list ADA. The chance for greater liquidity at his current position may be linked to poor investor confidence, but a change may be anticipated soon. A listing on a significant exchange like BitBank might be another trigger for ADA because it will create the opportunity for more liquidity. One of the main concerns for Cardano is that the coin has traditionally been through these horrible times. What caused the high rate of dumps instead of holding? In search of immediate financial gain as soon as they start to earn from Cardano investments, the investors stop buying ADA tokens. More investors will need to hold ADA coins rather than sell them for the price to increase, yet, investor confidence may not be high enough to support the probability of ADA reaching $100. As time went on, the price of the Cardinal began to decrease while the price of numerous other coins was growing. Investors' focus has shifted to other networks like Solana and Avalanche because Cardano hasn't yet matched the speed of these contemporary blockchains. These networks are distinguished by extraordinarily high transaction speeds. Many investors are questioning if the ADA coin price can hit $100 and just how long it will take now that we have seen the severe losses drop below $1. And during the most recent bull market, we witnessed a surge from the previous bear market's low of 10 cents to its all-time high of $3. That is a 30-fold gain. Here is how much a cryptocurrency like CrowdDollar may increase in a bull market over a short period of time. But in succeeding bull markets, these advances typically decline more. The price may skyrocket if Cardano continues to develop over time and surpasses Ethereum, Solana, or Avalanche in terms of efficiency. In the future, Cardano must improve as an Ethereum substitute. And as a result, the ADA token's value would increase to $100. Despite this optimistic prediction, investing in cryptocurrencies still carries some risk, but Cardano could see a rise in value within the next 5 to 10 years. Every investment in Cardano ADA should be made with a long-term strategy in mind, and there is a need to put a lot of faith and conviction into the Cardano project. Despite the short-term Cardano turmoil, the protocol is still one of the most popular investments among institutional and retail investors. Even though the value of the ADA coin fluctuated during 2022, the concept is still intriguing in generating interest from huge institutions and long-term investors. Although it may not be seen, this is happening in the background. Transactions on Cardano have been progressively rising over the past few weeks in the wake of the successful Vessel hard fork upgrade, and they are now at their highest level since early August, according to statistics from CoinMarketCap. Cardano is the second most active blockchain behind Bitcoin, according to another Asari chart. Cardano is the largest investor in the premier cryptocurrency investment firm Grayscale, holding 28% of the whole fund. According to cryptocurrency expert Garmandillo, Cardano will succeed in the upcoming bull run for ADA holders. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on Cardano Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.